Can you really enjoy a refreshing hibiscus lemonade in just 1 minute? Stick around and find out. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you like to make really amazing food without a lot of fuss, then definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because that is exactly what we do here. And right now we are making a 1 minute hibiscus lemonade. Now I've called it 1 minute forever because you can make it like crazy fast, but I've never actually timed it before. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna go ahead and call it out right now and time it. Okay, so first get your ingredients together. Of course, you wanna go ahead and you're gonna need your lemons, hot and cold water, some dried hibiscus flowers, stevia, and ice. So come on back up. All right, great. Now that you've got all that in place, the equipment you're gonna need is a blender, strainer, and a vessel to pour everything into, and of course a pitcher. So, okay, are you ready? Should we do this? All right, let's do it. Okay, cool. Let me get the timer ready. Of course it goes to sleep. All right, we're ready? And let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead and start with a 1/2 cup of our hibiscus flowers into our hot water, and then lemons into there with cold water, and three. All right, we get our stevia. Oh, is it really gonna be a minute? I don't know. All right, and let's go ahead. This is probably the most difficult part, is just getting the top on and off the blender. All right, there's that. And then our hibiscus. And technically it's made, but let's go ahead and pour this over the ice. Okay, and stop. 1 minute and 25 seconds. It's not a minute. I'm not gonna blame it on anything. I take full responsibility, but I will say this top was a little difficult to get on and off. But as you can see, okay, it is now officially a 1.5 minute hibiscus lemonade. This is a superfood drink loaded with antioxidants and lots of vitamin C. Definitely a great way to enjoy something healthy and really refreshing. Okay, so there is our 1.5 minute hibiscus lemonade. Let's give it a shot. So if you're wanting a sugar-free option, you know, use stevia, or you can use whatever sugar substitute is your favorite. Oh, that is really refreshing. I personally really like stevia. I know some people use like a Truvia or a sugar stevia blend, or monk fruit is also really nice. If sugar is not a big deal for you, then just go ahead and add your sugar to the hot water when you're steeping your hibiscus flowers. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And if you are into speed cooking, definitely check out the next video, which is either gonna be the 1 minute hollandaise sauce or the 1 minute lemonade. Both of those are super fun, very easy to make, and I hope you enjoy them. So go check those out, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.